Good morning everyone. Today we have learned about phrases, chapter number 7. So I'm going to explain it to you what is phrases. Okay. So now phrases. As you people know that a sentence in which we have subject, a verb and it has complete meaning, right? But in a phrase, what do you mean by phrase? A phrase is a group of words in a sentence that does not contain a subject and a verb. Beta, it can come here may also, may not. Okay, it can have, sometime it can have verb, sometime it can have subject. But the problem here is that it will never have the combination of subject and verb. Means it will never have both subject and verb. Sometimes it is there that verb is there but its subject is not there. Sometimes subject is there, verb is not there. Okay, but it will never have it. It will be possible that it can have, it will not have both. Okay, it is a group of sentence that does not contain or may not contain a subject and a verb. Okay, by the river, a cool wet afternoon, getting a promotion. As you people can see here that we do not have by the river. What you are doing there, the by, how, when, where, there is not a complete meaning, it is incomplete. By the river. Okay, near the river I can understand, but it is not giving us complete meaning what is happening at by the river. Okay, a cool wet afternoon, again here also incomplete meaning. 2-3 words have been used, there is some meaning but not a complete meaning is not there. Getting a promotion, what happened when you get a promotion? Okay, what is happening after getting a promotion? You are not getting that answer, incomplete meaning. So here also you are not having any subject, not having any verb, only some group of group of words is written. Okay. Now a phrase does not make complete sense. It makes some sense but it does not make complete sense because it does not have a subject, it does not have a verb. Okay, on and requires the help of other words. It requires the help of other words to make it a complete sentence. Okay, so if you want to make a complete sentence in it, so you need to write the subject and verb, or you need to write some other words so that we can get the complete sense of the sentence. So that we can get the complete sense of the sentence. It is a part of the sentence. Phrases are the part of the sentence. It's not a complete sentence. Please remember this thing. Now reading novel is good. As you can see here, only reading novel. If you are going to read only reading novel, you are not getting any answer here. Okay, it is not a complete meaning. Is a good book. So when you are writing whole thing, is a verb and a good habit is an object. Okay, so when you are reading whole sentence here, so then you are getting the full sense. So reading novel is a phrase. A lot of people do not sleep at night. So people is a subject here, do not sleep. So this is the verb at night, when at night. So at night is also a phrase, and a lot of is also a phrase, a lot of. Okay, something extra he is telling about the people, and this is also a lot of is also not a making complete sense. So this is also a phrase. The horse runs at a good speed. The horse is a subject here, runs is a verb. So phrase cannot have the subject and verb, so we are going to leave it, and whatever is left is a phrase, at a good speed. At a good speed, how he is running? He is running at a good speed. Okay. He is subject, is a verb, on the way. When? On the way is the phrase here. Okay. Now what is a phrase? If I am going to tell you some more things that will be helpful for you people to find out the phrase in it. Like suppose it's a group of words that I have already told, like reading novel, a lot of, at a good speed, on the way, by the river, a cool wet afternoon, getting a promotion. All this is a group of words. No subject verb combination. As you can see, we do not got any subject verb combination here. Any sentence here we have got subject, but here we don't have verb. Okay, here we do not have subject and verb in all these sentences. Okay, then we have no meaning if used alone. If I am writing like this, reading novel, a lot of, at night, at a good speed, on the way. So I am not having a complete meaning here. A phrase can be changed into sentence. If I want to make a complete sentence, I have to add subject and verb in it. Like for example, here we have added he is, here we added the horse runs, here we have added people do not sleep at night, here we have added is a good habit, and as you can see here we have to add subject and verb in it so that we can make it a complete sentence and we can have a complete meaning in it. Okay. Then phrases can be used in a starting, middle and in the end of the sentence. Please do not have confusion in this thing that phrases are always used in the last. No, phrases can be used in front also. By the river I was sleeping. A cool wet afternoon I went to shopping. Getting a promotion is exciting. So here we have used in front. Here we have used in last. He is on the way. Okay, I will give you one more example in which we will be using the phrases in between also. So phrase can come in the starting of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, in the ending of the sentence also. Please remember. Now phrases will always give the answer of how, when, where and what in a sentence. Okay, what is happening? Suppose here, yes, what is a good habit? Reading novel is a good habit. Reading novel is a good habit. So in this sentence, what? The phrase is giving the answer of what? Okay, the horse runs at a good speed. How the horse runs? At a good speed. So it is giving the answer of how. He is, where he is? On the way. Where he is? On the way. Okay, how many? People do not sleep at night. How many? A lot of word, a lot of people are. So it is giving the answer. Here you are going to ask WH questions, WH word question, and you will get the answer of all these words. Okay. Now the underline these sentences we have discussed in the class. Underline the phrases in the following sentences. First is the puzzled tourist was lost. Who was lost? The puzzled tourist was lost. As you can see here, the subject is there, but the verb is not there. The combination is not coming. So that's why this is a phrase. You cannot like if I am leaving this puzzled tourist was. So it is also not making any complete sense. Lost is also not making a complete sense, and this puzzled tourist is also not making complete sense. So we are going to take this as a phrase. He was waiting for the rain to stop. What he was waiting for? He was waiting for the rain to stop. So was waiting for the rain to stop. Okay, the rain to stop. If I am going to take it alone, so it will have the rain to stop. It will have a complete meaning. So this is not a phrase. We have to take it completely. Was waiting for the rain to stop. Okay. Who was waiting? He was waiting. Getting a promotion is exciting. What is exciting? Getting a promotion is exciting. To make laminate, you have to. So you have to, as you can see here, we are getting to make laminate. What we have to do with laminate, we don't know. To make laminate, it's an incomplete sense words, group of sentence. Okay, starting may. Okay, so to make laminate, and here also to start with lemons. To start with lemons, there is no complete sense in it. So again, we have got it in the ending in the sentence. So this is also a phrase. Her horse, an Urbanian, was her pride and joy. What was her pride and joy? Her horse, an Urbanian. Again, two words are being used, and both are not having complete sense. So these two phrases are there. They live. Where they live? In the city they live. So we are getting the answer of where in this sentence. In the city they live. They live in the city. They is the subject, live is the verb, in the city is the place where they live. He joined the team at the last moment. When does he join his team? At the last moment. So at the last moment is the phrase here. He come late at night. When does he come late? When does he come late? At night. So at night is the phrase here. Painted a virulent white. If you are reading this sentence here, group of words here, so we are not getting a complete sense. So this is a phrase. The small room is a subject, appeared is a verb, and bigger is the object. Picnic basket in hand. Again, who is handling? Okay, what, when, where? No, it is not given here. So this one is a phrase. She is the subject, sets off is the verb for her trip. Okay, this one is the normal sentence, and this one is the phrase. So students, this one you are going to write in the notebook, and I am going to send you a worksheet that you also have to do it in the notebook for the practice. Bye bye students, have a good day.